the other side, Sheldon?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, 21 and a pair of Nipex. All right, so I know the refresh rate on this screen makes it kind of screwy, but 409 Fusion FW. All right. So as soon as that's done reading, that'll give us our calculations on the camber, the measurements on the camber, and the toe. Of course, we'll look at the rear first, and we can see the right rear toe is off 0.6 inches. However, it is straight ahead. Camber in the rear is within spec, so you can see that's why we didn't mess with anything in the rear. We'll leave that. And then in the front, our total toe is about negative a quarter inch. Camber looks beautiful, so chances are, because our steering wheel is crooked, we're going to line it, take our steering wheel straight. Likely the right side will be on. We'll just have to adjust our left side. You want to pull the pins out of that side, Sheldon? Take the pins out of our turntable here. Grab the steering wheel lock. Alright, so we're just going to crack the jam nut loose, turn the inner tie rod. That's going to make the adjustment. And we can see now with the steering wheel straight, our right side is super close. We're just going to leave that. We're going to adjust the left side. And this also goes to show that, you know how we counted the turns, that method really isn't that good. Try to hold this, give you guys the classic one-handed reach around here. Let's see if we can do it. Ready on 3. Ah! So this alignment lifts are a pain to work on, because especially like these open fronts, the runways are real wide. Alright, so there's that. Whatever way you turn it, it's going to be the opposite of what you need to go. This wheel, actually, we need to crank so the wheel goes out, right? I'm sorry. So the wheel goes in. Let's see if we can get up in here. This is super inconvenient. I tell you what, I'm gonna put you guys down so you can see the screen. I'm gonna move the light, get up in here, turn the inner tie rod, and we should be able to watch the adjustment. First, we're gonna pop this up on the big screen. There we go. Final readings, like I say, we're about as close as you just breathe on that wheel and they change. So happy with the camber. They're almost perfectly straight up and down, which is spec on them. Caster we're not worried about. It's not a tire wear angle, and it's also non-adjustable. Everything is re-tightened under here. I did make a minor adjustment over on the right side, but make sure you tighten the jam nut and make sure that the inner bellow here on the inner tie rod doesn't get all wound up. If you have to, just take the clamp off it, give it a little spray, crack it loose. So before we pull the heads off it, gonna make sure the steering wheel stays straight. Make sure everything looks good. Steering wheel's nice and straight, looks good. Pull the heads off and we'll take it for a drive. Should drive nice, smooth, no shimmies. I did not miss working on this crap. What are you working on, Cam?
Oh, fucking pulling the tranny out again.
Ah! Uh-oh, why?
I put a clutch in it and input shaft in it. The input shaft was so damaged, I didn't realize the internal damage it did to the engine, to the transmission.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the front gear looks like a ball bearing came down through the gear set and yeah, it chips off the gear.
Oh, no kidding, you didn't notice it when you pulled it apart?
Nah, I mean the clutch was like exploded, so it was noisy.
Oh, gotcha.
And then when we fired it up, the tranny was noisy now.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah.
They didn't even make it out on the road, huh?
No.
Dang.
But
And that tranny's about the size of a car we normally work on.
oh yeah.
The old Road Ranger, huh?
Yep. Well, 18 speed.
Yep. Oh man, I do not miss this crap whatsoever.
Nope.
You should come be a car mechanic. We don't even get dirty.
Right? I know. Look at you.
I know. I'm ready. I can go to a wedding.
I think I paid my pants twice today.
I don't miss this at all. You're making a lot of noise, Joe. Not a lot of progress, though.
Doesn't sound like I'm working hard.
Yeah, keep up the good work, buddy. What the hell's leaking?
The air hose?
Oh. Seems like you fixed that.
It is working.
If that blows off, hits you right in the grill, you're gonna regret it.
Yeah, that's gonna give me a day off too, won't it?
Oh yeah, workers' comp right there, baby. So what are you working on? We gotta go where we can see. Ah!
Creeper right there next to you.
No, I don't do creepers. I do lifts. I don't do creepers.
Car mechanics.
Huh?
Car mechanics.
Yeah, that's right. We can't even see what you're trying to do, Joe. You trying to take that yoke off?
Yep. Well, this is a new jump shaft. We had to replace because
Oh yeah, I see your dangling up there.
the U-joint on the old one was absolutely destroyed. And in being so destroyed, it spread this yoke.
Ooh, the old classic yoke spreader, huh?
Yep. So we've destroyed 2 caps trying to go in with it.
I see. Oh, trying to put the U-joint in, then you found out that was spread.
Yeah.
Jeez, a whole bunch of carnage down here today. Cam's down there taking out a trainee that's messed up.
And now we don't have anything wide enough to pull it back together. And we can't get it off.
The nut won't come off?
No, it hasn't even budged. It's been cherry red on 2 flats.
You got that torch right there, Joe. I'm a wizard with it if you want me to snip it off. Let me at it, Joe. Let me at
If
it.
you really want
Let
to,
me at
you're
it.
welcome.
Hey, Chels.
Hey.
You in here on Facebook like usual?
Nope, Snapchat.
Snapchat? Alright, as long as you're doing something. Thanks for making you famous, or what? You're gonna be famous now.
No, you were a little dusty there.
Yeah, I see that. It's because I was out there. I'm gonna steal some cookies from you. You guys always got the good stuff here. We just got health food at our place. What's the matter with your pants?
Oh, gosh.
What are you doing, backup?
Yeah.
I'll wait. You sure, Jeff?
No, but I'm sure Chelsea would love it.
Chelsea's already. We just got Chelsea. I'm taking more cookies. You could be famous. These are amazing.
Hey, you got something? Sure.
Big truck mechanic is what they look like. You fall on the floor today?
Yeah, I've been rolling around all day.
Come on, Chels, we're waiting. Bye, Chels. How you making out, Joe?
Now we're back to heating.
Heating and beating, huh? You try swearing at it?
What's that?
You try any swearing?
I can't hear you.
I said, did you try any swearing? Try swearing at it? Making up names?
I mean, I've considered it.
Yeah. Well, if all else fails. All right, see you, Joe. Yep, don't let your meatloaf.
Don't let the pussy go off.
I won't. See you, Jeff.
See ya.
See you there, Cam. Good luck. Time to see how good a job we did. I do have another video doing a full alignment, caster, camber, tow on an S10 pickup if you guys are interested in seeing that. We gotta get out of here. Alright, we've said our goodbyes. Stole some cookies. Let's ride. Sorry about the danglers, and nothing I can do with them. We have to get down the road here for a little ways because this has like a long sweeping corner to it. Make sure our wheels straight and all that stuff. I think it's all they got a little four-cylinder in it. Plus, we gotta make sure we fix the original complaint, which was a shimmy. So that was original customer complaint, shimmy and a little clunky noise. There's a little straight section of road. Let go of the wheel. No pull. Oh, another corner here. We'll come down here where she straightens out. Minimum road crown. So you're always going to have a slight right-hand drift, depending on how the caster angle is set up. So we'll let go of the wheel. Smooth, baby. All right. We're doing 60, got no shimmy. That's sick, got a kid out here doing wheelies on his four-wheeler. I'm happy. I'm happy if you're happy. I'm gonna use turn signal. Yeah. Made it back to SMA. I was wondering where you were. What are you doing out here on my computer? Trinity?
I'm playing a game.
You're always playing a game. What are you playing now?
I
Cut the
don't-
rope, huh?
I do not know what it's called.
You don't know what it's called?
Nope.
Then how do you know how to play it?
I don't know.
You're just clicking?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh, I don't know. I've never played that one. What happened to that sugar game you were playing?
I don't know what to play.
You didn't want to play anymore? I thought you were playing pool. You're not playing pool?
Nah.
All right. Well, good luck there, even though you don't know. I don't know. Did you read the directions?
Nope, but I do know how to play. I played it before.
Oh, I see.
Dang it.
Dang. So we're gonna leave it at that, folks. Took a little visit down to Sonny's. My brother wasn't there. Visited with a couple of the guys that work there. All look like they're having pretty bad days, to be honest with you, from that yoke that was froze on. Of course, now they've heated the snot on it. So you know as well as I do, that pinion seal is gonna be junk. But that's what you gotta do, working on rusty crap. They're gonna have to get the nut off the pinion, pull that yoke off, get a new yoke. Of course, they didn't discover it was bent because the drive shaft come apart, or the little jack shaft between the two rears came apart. And it is what it is. And then, of course, Cam there, I feel kind of bad for him. Put a new input shaft and clutch in that 18-speed Road Ranger that he was doing, and then found out it was junk. And they're not overly difficult to replace those, pull them trannies in and out. But on those trucks, it has a PTO on it. You got to pull the PTO, tear apart, pull the shifter out, pull the clutch or pull the tranny out, and then tear it all back down. Now those transmissions are like 2,500 pounds. So it just kind of sucked crawling around the ground. I don't miss that stuff at all. I used to do it. Used to work on those, doing, transmissions, in-frame overhauls, suspension, brakes, whatever, everything that we do on these, I did on those. Hated every minute of it, I'll be honest with you. But it was work, and you do what you have to do when you need money. So that's what I did. That lady should be happy with the car. It does drive straight, doesn't pull, shimmy, or shake. And that was the original complaint, along with the clunk, which was ultimately coming from those ball joints and a tie rod end. So it's smooth, no clunking. Everybody should be happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this multi-part series on fixing the Ford Fusion. Got another Ford on the lift now. A Ford Escape is one I put an engine in quite a while ago. He's got a few other things he wants done on it now. Needs a flex pipe on the exhaust. He's got some broken parts and pieces here in the front, some plastic stuff. But I think it's more than what he thinks it is. And I got to put a new cruise control cable on it, so I'm going to get motored on that. That's enough rambling. Go down there, click that subscribe button, ring the bell, thumbs up the video if you like it. Find us around on our socials so you can keep track of us there on Patreon. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching. Any last words? Anything you want to say to the people?
Bye.
Bye. That's it? You get back to your cooking game, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
See ya. Wave. You're not gonna wave? See ya. Bye-bye.